Assalamu alaikum, all GSM friend. Today now subject Redmi 9 NV data corrupted 100% tested. Now we see any file this client order this working successful next your Google and YouTube post. Okay. Now we see any download email WhatsApp are not 24-hour service WhatsApp password for only for student. Next, Vivo Y27 5G PD2279F MDM file 100% trusted. This file and owner remotely service is working. Next time your file remotely service okay. Download email and WhatsApp are now 24-hour service. Next, Samsung A045 RPMB file 100% trusted. Okay. Next, Samsung A045F DRAM file U4 unlock tool. If your mobile unlock tool hand reset and format password ever ki problem the working time format password set dead mode no on off. Okay, only immediate port show just MDM just DRAM file this file working. Okay, please wait. DRAM file, the file working 100% working set. Okay. A045F. Okay. Now see and 100% working. Okay, my friend, at first my YouTube channel subscribe, like and comment and Facebook share. My all GSM friend, my request at first my YouTube channel subscribe, like and comment and Facebook share. Any file you need, any problem, any emergency file need, just email and WhatsApp are not 24-hour service. Okay, just your file. I am very confused. I am very sorry. Your YouTube channel description no link, just link comment box. Now you see any emergency link. Any browser open. Now you see. The right now Borsha mobile BOR. Okay, Borsha mobile one click now. Just the blogger site and please wait just a minute. The search blogger A045F. Okay, just click now, search click. Okay. A DRAM file, E4. Now see, amazing, magic, this file download, any password, remove WhatsApp, just paid file, not free. Okay, not free. Paid, 100% working. Goodbye.